Bismillah Rahman Rahim, starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is most merciful and beneficent. My name is Adil Asif, and today's topic is what is the difference between signifier and signified. Before I describe the topic, I would like to tell you something about the topic because it is very important you to know about the pioneer of this topic or these terms. He is a Swiss linguist whose name is Ferdinand de Saussure, and he gave us the concept of semantics. The word semantic is derived from the Greek word seme, which means to describe something, to interpret something. It is all about symbols and sign. If I talk about the concept, about the terms signifier and signified, basically whatever we speak, whatever we utter, whatever we write, and whatever we listen, it is all about signifier. And after the declaration of words, after the listening, after writing the words, whatever comes in our mind, that is called signified. So it can be said that the mental image which is created in our mind, that is called signified. The concept is signified. Let's have an example. If I say that loin, the word loin which I uttered is signifier. And after the utterance of this word which comes in my mind, that is called signified. The mental image which comes in my mind. Alright, let's have another example. For example, if I say that tree, I uttered the word tree, and whatever the image that comes in your mind, that is called tree, or that is signified. The third example can be said that, like if I say that chair, the word chair is basically signifier, and the mental image which has come in your mind, that is called signified. Another example can be taken if I say that respect. You can observe that the word respect is an abstract noun. So there will be no mental image which will come in our mind. It means that it cannot be counted in these two terms, signifier and signified, because as I said that respect, can you think that what is the mental image of respect in your mind? No. So this is why we will only count concrete objects, concrete or material objects, which will be counted in signifier and signified. So these are the concepts which I gave you today. If you have any confusion regarding these terms, regarding this topic, you can tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Learn English with Adil Asif. Like it, comment and share this video as possible. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.